Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've posted a video. Today I'm going to be installing these LED lights onto my WD45. The headlights on them, which are stock, you can't really use them very well because there's a loader in the way, and I'll show you that here in just a little bit. But the lights that I'm using are these Blazer 2.5 by 3.5 LED spots that I got from Northern Tool. And these were, I think, 25 bucks a piece or something like that. And for a pack of 2 of basically the same thing, a pack of 2 was like 80 bucks. So it just made more sense to buy 3 of these. I'm going to put 1 on the back and 2 facing front. And I think the way that I'm going to mount it is just right directly on the loader itself, the loader support arms, with this piece of bar that I've got here that come with a piece of equipment that we purchased here recently. This is just, they use this for shipping. It's already got some threaded ports in it right there for bolts. So I think what I'll do is I'll take my light, which I've already got kind of halfway installed on this little L bracket here, and I'll put it on just like this, and then I'll thread this in. Tighten it up a bit. And I'll cut this in half, of course, so that I've got this other side to use for the right side of the tractor. But I'll put this on and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so there are the stock headlights, original to this tractor. And when you get this loader up in the air, they just do not shine past the loader very well at all. So I think what I'm going to do is mount right there on that support beam. I'm going to put them right here, and I think what I'll do is I'll just weld it up right there, just like that. Adjust it if I need to. So first I'm going to cut this in half. Okay, here are my two headlights. The light that goes on the back is not over here yet. And here's my 2-light quick connect harness that I also got at Northern Tool. The light that goes on the back of the tractor will have just a 1-light harness. I've also got some 1/4-inch heat shrink tubes to put around these here. And let's get going. Let's get this unboxed. Here's my connectors. Nothing in there. Put the heat shrink on the light side. Big old long wiring harness. It's a little bit overkill for my tractor, but that's all right. Here's the battery connections. There's a relay. Okay, I've turned off all the lights in the shop. Oh, I love it. Very nice.